So this is Brew Kettle, wine and beer you brew in Ajax, South Ajax, and that's where I'll be bottling my wine this morning. Should take about no more than 45 minutes from beginning to end. The bottles are being cleaned.
Okay, no problem. Oh, this is so heavy. Oh. Okay,
Hey,
now I can do it.
that's what neat acting, good acting.
Yes, good acting, okay. Am I going to be on YouTube?
This nice looking gentleman here, his name is Chuck.
The longtime proprietor of the Brew Kettle.
There we go. If you didn't catch that, long time proprietor
Well,
of
12 years is a long time, I think.
12 years. Well, it is if you're only 12 years old.
Oh, it's even long. Yeah, I know. When you're 65, it doesn't seem as long, does it?
No.
However, I haven't told you this, but it's not going to be 13 years because I'm retiring at the end of the month.
Really? Oh, well, that's a good thing I'm taking this video.
Yeah.
For posterity.
I've sold it to Len, who's been with me for 9 years, so it'll be continuity.
Okay. So he's setting it up and I have to bottle it myself.
Okay.
All set?
You're all ready? This thing doesn't seal properly, then the flow's not that good.
Okay.
First bottle.
Okay. So that's the drying tree over there. You come out of the wash and you go on that drying tree.
And this is Mr. Evans hard at work, preparing his favorite libation.
For Hollywood.
Yeah.
You have to make sure you don't put 2 corks in.
With his adoring public watching.
That's the routine.
Yeah, all right. Not bad. Only doing it once a year, you remembered it all.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
One over there, okay.
Pretty grungy?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. We'll do our favorite pay it forward thing. Sometimes people need bottles. So it was like $1.
Oh, okay.
So we're down to the dregs now, for the wine. So Chuck is helping me out.
Oh, are we going to take a picture of you having a drink too?
Not really, not here, no. You want to follow me home, okay? I have one bottle left over.
This will be tonight's with lunch.
There we are. You're right, yeah.
That's it.
Okay, thank you. That's the end of the bottling. Just to clean the bottles up now. Take them off the residual moisture. That should do it, Chuck. Thank you.
Yeah, and putting him in his custom designed container. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Well, that's it.
here he comes with his ill-gotten gains. I hope it's in color and shows my face turning red.
Okay.
Strong like bull. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Warren.
Okay, take care.
Okay, you too.
So now I'm back home. My bottling appointment was for 11:30, and it's now 12:22 p.m. So that's less than an hour from beginning to end and back home. And this is the wine rack where I'll be putting the new batch of wine. It's in the basement and close to the floor, the coolest possible spot. There we are. Wine's put away. 30 bottles of Merlot VDV, which stands for Vino del Vida. Vino del Vida. I'm not sure what that's supposed to signify. I think a better quality Merlot. And this should last me about a year, depending how many bottles I might give away in the interim. $120. $120 for 30 bottles. When I was there 4 weeks ago, it was on special. The normal price would be $127, and even at $127, it's a darn good deal. So that's the end of my wine bottling for another year, and now I can sit back and enjoy this wine from time to time. I'm not a big wine drinker, but I do occasionally like a little glass with my dinner. Over and out. Goodbye. Bye.